Cobra versus Uniden versus President radios. Which brand is best? Well, that's a pretty subjective question. Obviously, a lot of people have different opinions about different brands of radios. Cobra has been making iconic radios for the last 50 years. Think of the Cobra 29, Cobra 25, Cobra 75, which we sell a ton of and has been, you know, very popular all-in-one hand unit for Jeeps and off-roaders for years. So Cobra makes excellent equipment. President really kind of came to the States in 2016 and started selling radios again. They make great radios with excellent value. All their radios have automatic squelch control, and they come from the tiny President Bill all the way up to the full featured packed, you know, President George that has privacy codes and in kind of every feature under the sun. Also, President has great support stateside. They're located in Florida. They're easy to get a hold of. And they, you know, when you buy a President radio and a President antenna at the same time, you get that 5-year warranty, which is very valuable. Uniden is also known for making great radios like this 510, which we've installed in tons of equipment over the years. The 510 and the 520 series radios are just known for being just really heavy duty and outlasting in rough conditions. So all great brands. What am I putting my money on? It's kind of hard to say. It really depends on the scenario, but I am a big fan of President radios in recent years. I think that they just have some great modern and intelligent features.